Crosbyton City Park is located off of US 82 and Aspen Street intersection in Crosbyton, Texas. It is free for 2 nights, full hookup, and $10 a night after that. Not very scenic, but it's gravel. It doesn't have any trees. There's a playground, picnic shelter, your normal stuff. And they have 1 to 5 campsites. And the maximum length of your RV is 40 feet plus. Not a bad stopover. The next park is Waylon Jennings RV Park. Free, full hookup. It has at least 15 sites, and you can stay there for 4 days. There is a donation box, but you don't have to pay anything for the first 4 nights, as I said. $20 a night after that. Easy access off of Highway 385. The city of Muleshoe, Texas, also has a free park. It's located off of American Boulevard, which is US Highway 84, Muleshoe, Texas. I'll put the GPS coordinates in the description below.
What's that place in Destin? Callahan's?
Oh yeah, this is a 5-star meal here at, what's it called?
Diner Bell?
The Dinner Bell. It's called the Dinner Bell. In Muleshoe, Texas.
Muleshoe, Texas. This little place is a 5-star all the way, folks.
Yep.
We're camping right down the street. Free campground for 3 nights.
Mm-hmm.
Laundromat open 24 hours. We use our fuel card to get a fuel discount.
Awesome.
Can't beat it.
That's it. So we're standing on the porch at the Dinner Bell, and you can see our rigs right there in the park. So we walk down here.
The highway noise is not real bad in the campground. We're by the highway, which is great. You ain't got to drive far.
Now we had the country fried steak, y'all. Or they call it chicken fried steak here. It was excellent. Mr. Childers, how was your meal?
What a great lunch. Enchilada, we had a beef enchilada, a beef taco, baked beans, some rice.
I had a chicken enchilada.
2 bowls of salsa with chips. Chips are fresh.
And what's the name of this place?
You had to ask me that, didn't you?
I'll put it in text.
That's Leslie?
Leo's,
that's it.
Leo's.
That's what we think.
And it's right on the main street, right here in Muleshoe, Texas. Mr. Childers liked it. Look, he cleaned his plate.
Man, it was delicious. Oh, man.
I liked it. I ate my chicken enchilada and my beef enchilada. This place is packed.
Uh-huh.
Packed.
The price is reasonable.
Yep, it's awesome.